decided to talk to you guys today on my lunch break. And yes, I look terrible, but I'm working today, so I'm not here to impress anyone except for my 2 computer monitors. So, here's the latest. The leak in the drip pan that got fixed yesterday for my AC, it's still leaking, but it's not that bad. So, I'm crossed fingers that it's getting, it's sealing itself, because I did keep the unit off most of the night. I love you too. And I did turn it on at like 4 o'clock this morning because it was really hot. Poor Biscuits was hot. And I have it kind of on now, but I have the setting now to like 79 degrees. So thankfully, I mean, it is hot here, but it's not humid, so it's not really that bad. So, and then I have a fan on the dog because, he's number one. And then I still have to deal with the little flu bar on my screen door here. And I love you too. And how you doing? And what else? I'm just trying to stay positive and clear out some clutter, and I'm kind of making a plan in my head. I did do something today. I turned off my Teams messaging for work because I usually spend all day explaining why I can't get stuff done for people who I'm doing stuff for, who they still haven't done their part yet. So, to get blamed for holding things up, I'm really not. It's just I'm going by other people's schedules and, I can't even talk. Constant interruptions, and my coworker doing a project, so I'm doing like a ton of other stuff. So it got very overwhelming, and I almost had a meltdown. I didn't have a meltdown because I have been doing yoga and meditating and listening to podcasts and just trying to remain calm and positive. So that I can make some decisions for changes in my life for the better. And I turned off my Teams, and then I set my phone to give me a reminder so that I could do some stuff for an hour straight. And sorry Biscuits. And I did it. 1 hour, I got a bunch of stuff done. So right now I'm on break, and I've walked the dog already and all that stuff, and went to get put gas in my car, because tonight I might take my mom to the beach where they like ring the bell for the sunset, kind of like how they do it in the Florida Keys, but just to kind of like talk to the universe, ask for what I want, and just relax, release, relate, and out. So there's that. And so I'm going to do that, possibly. If not, I'll probably edit the previous vlog that I finished and do that. But it's a lot of stuff happening, so I'm just trying to take it in stride. And I think if I just take it one thing at a time and not try to do my usual ADHD multitasking, that it will be okay. So I know I am sitting on my one chair backwards, but it just kind of feels good. And I'm just doing stuff to feel good, calm down. And speaking of feeling good, there was an influencer who I subscribe to, and I started using this product for my face, and you can see it's like pretty much cleared up, and some anti-aging stuff and body oils. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I've been using a product called Osea, and they have body oil, which is so nice when you get out of the shower, so you're not dry, because I can get dry like that, even in a humid climate like Florida. And I also have been using the sea serum, which is anti-aging, and Also, it's helped it has hyaluronic acid, and it's been clearing up my skin. Like, awesome. And, the facial cleanser, which is wonderful too. And it's got this like citrusy, beachy kind of vibe to it. And since I am very beachy in my aesthetics and decorations in my house, it's fitting. So they also have like an anti-aging body balm and the body lotion, and they are just really great products. Worth it. I mean, they're not cheap, but they're worth it. So, and it lasts a while, which is great. And I like it. So, um, so that's that. I'm trying to get more into like my self-care for my physical body, because obviously I do anything for myself last. So I'm just trying to take care of the inside and the outside. So I think I'll show you in my next vlog what I actually use, and take it from there. Talk soon.